So now after the black fungus, it's time for white fungus. Yes, you heard it right. As per the latest info that we have got, some new cases of white fungus, which is much more deadlier and dangerous than black fungus, emerged in India. So hello friends and viewers, how are you all? You are watching Revision Learning and this is an exclusive report in RVL Exclusive. So today in this video, we will cover a special report on white fungus, so don't miss this video and watch it till the end. Amid concerns over rising cases of mucormycosis or black fungus in COVID recovered patients, several cases of white fungus have been reported in Bihar, Patna. Medical experts say white fungus is deadlier and much more dangerous than mucormycosis, as it affects other organs of the body apart from lungs. At least 4 patients of white fungus have been detected in Bihar's capital, Patna. Dr. S.N. Singh, head of Patna Medical College and Hospital's microbiology department, told today that there could be many more cases of such infection. Dr. Singh said that people with low immunity, diabetes, AIDS patients, those who have undergone kidney transplant are more susceptible to this disease. He also pointed out that negligence while using oxygen cylinder for COVID patients can put them at risk of white fungus. Normal people use tap water in the humidifier attached to the oxygen cylinder. Tap water may contain white fungus, which can be a source of chest infection in the person on oxygen support, as said by Dr. Singh. The symptoms of white fungus is similar to COVID and the infection can be diagnosed through CT scan or X-ray, he added. Meanwhile, the Union Health Ministry today asked all states to declare mucormycosis or black fungus an epidemic. Health Ministry Joint Secretary Love Agrawal in a letter asked the states to put the fatal infection under Epidemic Disease Act. In the recent times, a new challenge in the form of a fungal infection, namely black fungus or mucormycosis, has emerged and is reported for many states among COVID-19 patients, especially those on steroid therapy and deranged sugar control. This fungal infection is leading to prolonged morbidity and mortality amongst COVID-19 patients, Love Agrawal said in his letter. So the states like Maharashtra, Gujarat have been reporting a rise in black fungus cases. As many as 90 people have died of mucormycosis in Maharashtra alone. According to medical experts, steroids, which suppress immune system, make a patient vulnerable to catching the fungal infection. So just subscribe to Revision Learning and press the bell icon so that if we get more information about the white fungus, we can update you all. Till then, stay safe, stay alert, and thank you.